Every day, students face countless tasks. They feel overwhelmed, stressed, and many turn to AI tools to finish essays, homework, projects, and other academic activities. But this brings an important question. Is AI tool a helpful tool for learning or an easy escape that stops real thinking?
In the rise of AI, how do we guide young learners to use technology responsibly? Not as a shortcut, but as a partner for deeper understanding.
I've seen how AI can broaden child learning experience. It creates fun lessons, adapt at different learning styles, and make struggling students feel included. And honestly, seeing a child gain confidence through a simple interactive AI tool is amazing. That's when we use AI with value, responsibility, and intention, and help both teachers and students thrive.
To begin with, I believe AI can truly help. It can check grammar and make work easier. But when we depend on it too much, we lose the chance to think, imagine, and to grow. So let's advocate to use AI with care, to become a real thinker, not just a shortcut seekers.
And other wonder, is AI here to support teachers or to slowly replacing a heart of a teacher? AI can support learning, yes, but it will never be replaced a heart of a teacher. It is a helper that amplifies teaching, not a threat to its core. That if it's misused, it will feel like a replacement.
With just one click, AI gives answers. It is helpful if the students still think and analyze. But if they stop thinking, they lose the skills that shape who they become. Blind reliance creates complacency, and that scares us. I believe AI should lift us up, not replace our effort or dull our curiosity.
It also helps create a classroom where every child feels seen and supported. With instant feedback, teachers understand their students better and help them grow. But even with all of this, let's keep in our mind that AI is a partner, not the center of learning.
At the end of the day, nothing replaces the teacher. That's why we must teach others and students to think deeply and use AI wisely.
Together, we've seen AI potential to transform education, making it more inclusive, efficient, and engaging. But remember, it's a tool, not a teacher. Let's advocate for balanced use, where humans, connection, and critical thinking shine.
As we stand at the center of a changing world, one thing becomes clear. AI is not the future. We are the teachers, the learners, the thinkers who choose how this technology will shape our classrooms. So today, we choose a path where innovation meets intention, where AI strengthens learning, not replaces it, where students grow curious, not dependent, and where teachers remain the heart of education, supported but never overshadowed. So let's all move forward with one vision, a future where AI empowers learning, supports teachers, and uplifts every child without ever taking the away the human touch that makes education meaningful.